Screencastify is a web-based screen recording system. So, like for me, it's not as useful because I can't, say, use my calculator software on there. But if most of your Google Slides or papers are uploaded into your Google Drive where you can open it in an internet browser, then Screencastify is actually really awesome. So here's like a random English paper that I searched for on the drive. So I do have it up in a browser. I've already downloaded Screencastify, and the link is super easy. So I'm going to come up here and click where it says Screencastify. And my microphone is set to default. You want to make sure it's on tab recording. And then press record tab. And the nice thing about Screencastify is it automatically on the bottom of your screen, it pops this little bar, and you can write on your paper. So let's say I'm an English teacher and I'm trying to work with students on annotating. I can pick a color here, and I might ask my students to go ahead and mark their text, and then once they've marked their text, watch my video to make sure that it matches what I marked. And that way students can take as much time as they need to do that and then just watch when they're ready to check their answer. So like I can underline stuff. I'm not a very good underliner. You can even show what you would write out to the side, like smaller. I don't know what that word means. I can erase my mistakes. You can do all sorts of cool stuff. You can even change it to where it has a picture of your face, although I wouldn't recommend that because students are going to get distracted by that, and so I prefer to do voice only. And yeah, so that's how you do Screencastify, and you can change up your colors, and if you wanted to, you could even have students use this on their own computer and submit something to you, like maybe doing their own annotations and narrating them as they go. That's Screencastify in a nutshell. And when you're done, you just come back up here and press that. Say, yeah, I want to stop. And then it's going to ask you to upload it. And the nice thing about Screencastify is it automatically on the bottom of your and you can just upload it to your Google Drive, and it's going to be stored on your actual drive, not on like your team drive. And that's about it.